Blue cheese, pears, and walnuts combine in these sensational bite-sized morsels. They're easy to make but look so impressive. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about a starter. It's a lovely little appetizer we're making. We're going to make pear and blue cheese mini tarts. Let's get started. What's a mini tart, you ask? These are mini tart shells, and they're wonderful. These are made of phyllo dough. You get them in your freezer section, and this is the kind that I get. And you find them where they have puff pastry and phyllo dough and things like that. Now, these are a great shortcut, and I just love them because you can fill them with anything. Today, we're going to fill them with pears and blue cheese. I have a nice pan here. I'm going to turn the heat on a little bit. While it heats up for a moment, I can tell you that I preheated my oven to 350 degrees or 180 Celsius. All right, this is warming up. We're going to start with butter. 2 tablespoons today, right in. We just want to get that melting. Next up is pears. And I have here 2 pears that I've peeled and diced rather smallly. We're just going to let these cook for a couple minutes just to start to soften a little bit. All right, my pears are starting to soften. Our next flavor is honey. I have 2 tablespoons here. This is going to add a little more sweetness, a little complexity. It's going to go really well with blue cheese. Give that a stir. And then I also want to give this just a tiny pinch of salt. Just a little. It's going to help balance the sweetness and bring it all together. Now we're going to let this cook for 4 or 5 minutes until the pears are lightly browned. All right, it's been 5 minutes. I cut the heat and I've been letting my pears just cool slightly for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add some cheese. First up, Mascarpone cheese. This is a 1/4 cup or about 60 grams. Mascarpone is the Italian version of cream cheese. It's a little sweeter than ours. It's much creamier and richer. Right in. Next up, blue cheese. Again, a 1/4 cup. This weighed out to be about 40 grams. Now, I used my favorite blue cheese today. I didn't buy the pre-crumbled stuff because I don't feel like it has enough flavor. Right in. Now we're going to give this a stir just to combine. The residual heat in the pan will melt these cheeses, so just be patient. Give a good stir. All right, this is just about where I want it, so I'm going to clear the decks, and then we're going to fill some tart shells. All right, here are my tart shells, like I showed you earlier. Now, this is an ungreased sheet pan. You don't need to grease or anything, they won't stick. We're just going to fill these with about 1.5 teaspoons of the filling. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. You don't want to overfill. That's pretty good. I'll do a couple to show you how easy it really is. So here's 4. I'm going to add some walnuts, just a couple. These are just some chopped walnuts right on top. This is going to give an extra little crunch and flavor that goes really well with the blue cheese. Just like that. All right, I'm going to finish filling these, and then I'm going to put them in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, and I'm going to bake them for 6 to 8 minutes. here we are out of the oven. I baked these for about 7 minutes. They're nice and warm through them. They've just cooled for a moment. We want to serve these while they're warm. So that means it's time for the tasting. My favorite part. I think I will taste this one right here. Oh yeah. There's sweetness. It's a complex sweetness between the honey and the pear. The cheeses, the mascarpone makes it all creamy and luscious. With that pungent blue cheese in there, gives it a little bit of a smack. All in all, it's balanced. And then you get the crunch from the shell and the walnuts, an extra surprise. These are perfect for even your most elegant dinner party. And that deserves an elegant drink. All right, if you like this episode, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every single week. Now, I'm going to go hide in a dark corner in the other room with these tarts and my drink and have a little feast. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.